Although I cannot eat chicken wings, I do know that this city is the best place in the world to get them. Although every commencement address is different, there are clear themes used by all speakers. As you embark on this new chapter of your lives, I offer you the following inspirational advice that is common at all graduation ceremonies. Embrace lifelong learning, be adaptable, pursue your passions, take risks, foster meaningful connections, make a positive impact, and believe in yourself.
If you have time to stick around, where is the best place in Buffalo to grab some chicken wings?
Although I cannot eat chicken wings, I do know that this city is the best place in the world to get them. Since I cannot experience the taste of different wings, I will not offer my opinion. Some people prefer Anchor Bar, other people prefer Duff's. And I hear Gabriel's Gate has great wings too. No matter where you decide to get chicken wings, just make sure you get blue cheese and not ranch.